morning from Excel in London. We're here for the Future Build exhibition for our customer Wavin. Carpet's ready to go down, got the rigging in place, ready for the banner. Let's see how we get on.
Hey everyone, so yeah, I'm checking in today to say I'm doing a bit of a talk later on at Tech Wednesdays down at the iCentrum down in Birmingham. Just going to be discussing a little bit about how I got into the technology and also augmented reality and virtual reality, what they are. I also discuss the trends of it as well. So yeah, next time you see me, I'll be checking into the venue and I'll let you know how I get on. Guys, here I am at the venue now and I'm about to do a talk for the Women in Tech at iCentrum. So yeah, this is the venue, guys, so have a quick look. Yeah, this is the first for me, so I'm a bit nervous, excited, but I'll let you know how it goes after, and yeah, wish me luck, guys. So yeah, that's it, I've done it. They had some really interesting questions to ask me, so yeah, positive all round, and looking forward to doing the next one, so yeah.
Okay, I have come down to Rock Beer Manor in Exeter to do a little stand set up for Crucial Trading. Lovely little spot. Manor house in the sun. Take you around to the front of the house. This is the front of the building. Lovely little water feature in the sun. Go take a look at the Crucial stand. We have somehow managed to have a week of solid blue skies.
So Henry's channeling a surgeon here. We're going to be doing a little bit of green screening with Carl Salisbury.
Yes.
And yeah, Henry's going to look the part. Do you feel like a surgeon?
I do actually.
You do, yeah?
I feel like I could pull this off.
Could you? I feel like you could.
This smells like the dentist as well.
Does it?
Yeah.
Oh.
Juggling surgeon.
Really?
So it comes to discuss some VR and end up with Doc Brown's DeLorean. How weird is that?
Does it run?
It does run, yeah. I haven't got the keys or anything.
The flux capacitor is fluxing.
You can get the flux capacitor
Oh
going.
my God,
you
that
can
is as
input
well.
different dates as well, and you know, all of that.
And he signed it as well, have you seen?
Yes.
So it's the end of the month and I am keen to show you my juggling progress.
Brilliant! Oh my God. Taking it out, seeing the added pressure helped.
We couldn't have it before, we were